Hello! You have been recommended the best drug delivery system, which helps you to get only the medicine and not the preservative through the time-tested preservative-free device system. This preservative-free vial is a device with a critical mechanism built around the nozzle. Hence, it is important to understand both how to use and how not to use. The first time you open a new preservative-free multi-dose bottle, prepare the bottle by discarding a few drops before using. Adequate drops are given to handle these. Please do not touch the tip of the bottle, around the neck or inside of the cap, as this could impact the sterile atmosphere if your hands are not clean. Hold the bottle between your thumb and fingers as shown here. Tilt your head backwards and rest your index finger against your eyebrow or bridge of your nose. This helps align the tip with your eye and will keep your hand stable. Pull your lower eyelid down and look up, focusing on the blue tip of the bottle. When the blue tip appears to the center of the eye, the bottle is in the correct place to deliver the drop inside the eye. Just squeeze gently to release a single drop. Please note that it might take a few seconds for the drop to be dispensed. Be careful not to squeeze the bottle too much. Next, softly press your fingers into the inner corners of the eyes for 2 minutes to prevent the solution draining into the tear ducts. Repeat this process with your other eye if directed by your ophthalmologist. After each use, shake the bottle once in the downward direction or tap the bottle to clear the tip of any residual liquid. Then replace the bottle cap. It is important to close the bottle with cap after each use. It is also important to store the vial in a cool, dry and hygienic place. After the months of recommended usage, some excess solution may remain in the bottle. This should be discarded. This service is brought to you by His Eyeness. Believe to see.